Hello, welcome to another BZB video. For this baby blanket you are going to need 3 different colors of cotton yarn and a 5mm hook. First you are going to take your first yarn. I chose blue, and then you are going to make a slip knot and chain 51 or any other number. So you now are actually choosing the size of your blanket. So I will make approximately 50 centimeters of the lower part of the blanket. When you are satisfied with the size, we are going to start with our first row, and we are going to make a half double crochets for the entire blanket. So wrap around, pull through, wrap around, and pull through all of these loops. And again, wrap around, pull through the next chain, wrap around, and pull through all of the loops. And just repeat this step until you reach the end of the first row. When you reach the end of the row, you are going to chain 2, and turn your work and make half double crochet into both of these 2 loops. So again, yarn over, pull through both of these loops, yarn over, and pull through all of the loops. And just repeat this step for second and any other row. I made 5 blue rows, and now I'm going to just chain 1, cut the extra yarn, and take other color. So now I will add my next color. So I'm going to pull my hook through the last chain that we did, and I'm going to pull the new color through these loops, and again chain 2, so this is 1 and 2, and just keep doing half double crochets with the new color. this is what it looks like when you just do half double crochet. You can leave your blanket like this, or you can add shells like I did. So first we are going to start from the corner, and in the corner you are going to make 3 single crochets. So in each of these 4 corners of the blanket you are going to do 3 single crochets into the same stitch, and into every other stitch you are going to do single crochet. So in the corners 3 single crochets, and into other stitches you are going to just make 1 single crochet. Make that single crochet until you reach this corner. When you reach the corner you are going to make a slip stitch and chain 1. Then we are going to start with the shell pattern. So first you are going to make single crochet into the next chain, then you are going to skip 1 chain and make 5 double crochets into the same chain. 1 double crochet, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then again you are going to skip 1 chain and make single crochet into the second chain. And again skip 1 chain and make 5 double crochets into the second chain. Then again you are going to skip 1 and make a single crochet, again skip 1 and make 5 double crochet, and just repeat this pattern for the whole blanket. And this is what it looks like in the end. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!